Hey guys, welcome back once again to another Christmas themed video. I'm so excited for this one because today I'm basically gonna read you out my Christmas wish list from my phone that I created. I just created this video as a reference for my future self to look back on this video and be like, oh right, like I wanted this, like maybe I should ask this for my birthday. And also obviously to help you guys with your Christmas wish list this year. Before we get started, I want to make sure that you guys don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It will help my channel so much. And also leave a comment down below with your Christmas wish list. I really want to know what you guys want for this Christmas season, so please do that. Also guys, I'm going to go ahead and read my Christmas wish list right here, and like there's no order in particular. Like I was just sitting down thinking about things that I really want and like wrote them down. It doesn't have any specific order, like from most important to least important, like not at all. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out for you. But anyways, let's just get started. So the first thing that I have on my Christmas wish list is obviously the James Charles palette. Guys, like when I saw that palette, I was mesmerized just because it has so many different colors. Like the color range is just fantastic, and lately I've been kind of like digging, trying new colors on my face, like pinks, blues, reds, greens, just like not neutral colors, because I already know how to like manage those. I just want to like incorporate more color on my makeup looks, and that's why I want that palette. But if you don't want to like incorporate any of those colors, like the palette is still perfect for like an everyday neutral eye. So I also love that about this palette. The next thing on my Christmas wish list are AirPods, and I don't know about you guys, but my headphones are most of the time so tangled. I don't know why. I literally detangle them every single day, and like throughout the day, like I can barely put them on because they're so tangled, and like the little ball thing, it sits literally like on my face, and it's just so weird and so disgusting. But I think that AirPods will literally make my life so much easier. Ugh, I really need some AirPods, guys. The next thing on my Christmas wish list is some Light Studio softbox kit. If you don't know what that is, they are basically just like boxes, just like lighting for my video, because right now I'm only using a ring light and like the lights on my apartment, and I just feel like I need to step up my game in the future and actually incorporate like more professional lighting on my videos. The next item that I want is the Canon 80D. This is not like a really important thing for me to buy or like get anytime soon, because right now I'm using the Canon G7X, and it's honestly so perfect to film videos and vlogs. It's just like really versatile, so I really don't need it, but I kind of want it just to see like the quality of the video if it changes or something. But it's really expensive, so I'm not looking into buying it anytime soon, but maybe in the future. So the next thing I want for Christmas, well, not for Christmas, just like throughout the year, I've wanted the MacBook Pro, and I got it, guys. It literally came about maybe 3 days ago, so I was waiting to do an unboxing for you, but the excitement won over me, and I got it, and I completely just like opened it, ripped it off, just like did a whole mess to get that freaking laptop on my hands. But I tried to like assemble it, like it came in the box. It didn't like turn out really well, but I just wanted to show you like my MacBook Pro right now, so give me a second. So guys, here it is, the MacBook Pro. It is so pretty, oh my god. I mean, you can't see it, but like the box is like so cute. Can you even like read that? I don't know, I'm blind. It's so cute. Like, let me just show you my new MacBook Pro because this is heaven. I've never had any MacBook ever. I've only had like cheap laptops, and this is like my first like high-end laptop. I got it in a silver color, and look at that, guys. Oh, I am so freaking in love with this. Oh my god. Here it is. It is so lightweight and just like so perfect. It's my baby. I was thinking on giving it a name, but I was just like, that's just extra weird, so I'm not gonna do that. It's just called the Fabiola MacBook Pro. So I just can't get over it. And I did not buy this myself. My dad actually bought it for me. So Dad, I know that you wanted me to make a video about me unboxing it, but I couldn't because I was just so excited when I finally got it. But thank you so much, Dad, for gifting me this MacBook Pro. It really means a lot to me. I love you, so thank you so much. The next thing I want is actually for my MacBook Pro, and it is like a keyboard cover, just because I feel that, I mean, I've read so many things about that MacBook that the keyboard is like it gets like a lot of dust under it, and maybe it could like get damaged. So I really want a keyboard cover just because I just want to avoid those bad things about it. So yeah, the next thing is also for my MacBook Pro, and it is a MacBook cover just like this one on my phone, just like for a MacBook, because I don't ever want to happen anything to my baby. So I really need a cover. Yeah, I should probably buy that soon and not later. Yeah, I should. The next thing on my Christmas wish list is actually like a table for me to like put the MacBook Pro while I'm like editing videos on my bed and just like watching movies, just to like not have it like laying down on my bed. Just like a cute small table for my laptop. The next thing I want is actually Final Cut Pro. I just want to like update the editing of my videos, so that's one thing I want. Another thing that I want is my very first car. I know this is like a little bit more expensive, but yeah, I really want my first car. Maybe on 2019 I would finally get one after like 5 years of having a license and not having a car, but that's okay. My boyfriend is the one that like drives me everywhere, and my parents as well, especially my mom and my grandmother, so thank you all for doing that for me. But yeah, like I think it's time for me to like get a new car, or just a car in general. So the next thing I want, I actually like saw it on Parker Ferris's Instagram. If you don't know who that is, he's like Aston Over's husband, and it's like the new HP Tango X Smart Home printer from Best Buy that you can literally just like print, if I'm not mistaken, like you can literally just like print photos directly from your phone, and just like it has like this Polaroid feel. So I think that would be really useful to like make memories and like hang them somewhere in the apartment, just like for the sake of the memories, you know. The next thing that I really want is the Garage and Sierra's holiday collection. I specifically want this dress right here. I think it is so beautiful, just like the patterns, the color, it's just like really Christmassy, and Sierra looks so beautiful in it, so I really want it. And last but not least on my Christmas wish list is something I definitely need, and I've been looking at it on Amazon and like on stores, but I haven't yet found like the perfect one, and it is like a makeup vanity suitcase. Like I have so many makeup products right now, and like I only have them in like a box that I got from Marshall's, that it's not like a storage box, and it's not even like meant to use it for that, but I use it for that, and it's like so messed up and it's just like broken and stuff. So I really need a makeup vanity suitcase, because I just feel, since I'm always like traveling a lot in terms of like from my apartment to my parents' house and to like some other place and some other place, like in my same country, I really think that that will be useful for me to like travel with my makeup, because I don't have to like carry that whole freaking bag and storage box all over the place, and it's like really heavy. So I am in definite need of a suitcase for my makeup. So anyways guys, that is it for my 2018 Christmas wish list. I really hope that all of my Christmas ideas were really helpful for you guys. Let me know what you get this Christmas season. Like, come back to my video and comment what you got. I'm always answering comments on my videos. Like, I always take the time to heart it. I always take the time to comment back. Yeah, because like I love you guys. But anyways, that is it for this Christmas wishlist 2018. I really hope that you all enjoyed it. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.